Hey, welcome back, Intermediate Algebra. So this Khan Academy is called Quadratics by Factoring Intro. And you already know how to factor quadratics, but it's taken it all the way down to finding the x-intercepts of it. So when you take this right here, you already know how to, and so I don't really want to cover this part, but I'm going to cover it because it's what you know. You already know how to take this, and you know how to set up a diamonds and rectangles, and you know how to take and plug in your a times c term, you know how to put your b term, your a and c terms go here. Figure out what two numbers multiply to make this and add up to make this. You know how to plug those two over here and factor out the information you need to get to there. The other thing you've been taught is you've been taught how to do your zero property product, to take those two factors, set them x equal to 0 to get your answers. Now, if this is what you need to do, you can always do this to get your answers. But I want to talk to you about a faster way, a much faster way. When you have an x squared term here, it's pretty simple at this point. You're going to notice that you need a number that multiplies to positive 7 but adds to negative 8. Can you think of two numbers that multiply to positive 7 that add up to negative 8? Hopefully you're going, well, yeah, wouldn't that be a negative 7 and a negative 1? And you're right. So it would be x minus 7, x minus 1. Wait, really, Mr. Anderson, it's that simple? Yeah, it's really that simple. You should know in zero property product, it's the opposite of this number in here when there's no number in front of the x. So it's just positive 7, positive 1, which means your lesser value is 1 and your greater value is 7. Let's try one more. Okay, so this one, see, I can click down here, and there is no diamonds and rectangles this time. It's what are two numbers that multiply to positive 49 and add up to positive 14? Well, you're probably going, well, wouldn't that just be 7 and 7? Yeah, you're correct. So x plus 7 and x plus 7. When you do zero property product, it becomes negative 7. And this one would also become negative 7. Since both answers are the same, there's only one answer, and x equals negative 7. My goal is to help you learn how to do this faster, and then we'll progress into more difficult ones as we move forward. That's all I got for you today. Good luck. Bye-bye.